How to fix people not sending a verification code. So let's say you're logging in. Let's say you've forgotten your password on an email. So let's say you've forgotten your password. So just press on that. So the only problem if you don't get a verification code is, let's say the SIM you have is quite lag, or there is server lag. If you go ahead and wait to try again in another time, people should be able to send the verification at that time. So if you're unlucky or unfortunate enough to be in server lag, then the best you can do for now is just wait for another time where you can go ahead and ask for a verification code. So do it again in an hour later and see the results, as most of the time it's just lag, internet connection difficulties by the people itself. So again, just go ahead and wait and try again next time. Shouldn't be more than a few hours or 1 hour. But yeah, if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.